are beginning our trip to Esperance. We woke up in Newgate. We're headed on the road straight away. It's 8:30. We've been driving for about 45 minutes. Heading to Esperance at the moment. It's going to be awesome for a swim and just chill on the beach. This is the Lake King service station where we're getting a bit of fuel. That over there is where you pay for your fuel. There's not even a building or anything, so that's good. So you need to come over here and pay first, and then shit, what was it? 4. Let's just do 50. Sweet as. Oh my god, I'm having a nap. We're now about what, another hour, about another 40 odd minutes to go. Yeah, we were listening to the Triple J Hottest 100 because, I mean, I've got no idea when this video is going to come out, but it's currently the 25th of January when it's Hottest 100 in Australia, and so we were listening to that, and then some like death metal came on, so we turned it off. Sorry, Jacob, but yeah, this is our first little lookout we've come to. Well, I just sent the drone up and it was hooting along going this way, and then trying to come back into the wind, it was struggling. Saw that there's heaps of people down at the beach, so gonna see if we can get a park and maybe go down for a swim. Alright, well, we're gonna go for a swim. Esperance is honestly just unreal. So picturesque, and so if you ever come into WA, you have to come here. It is actually unreal. Yeah, kind of looks interesting. Anyway, we're getting into Woolworths again to get, what are we getting?
You want your dip?
Oh yeah, and some meat to take to my cousin's house tomorrow. So this car park has like so many vans in it.
Oh, it sounds like it.
We're just looking over at this sign, which is that just down on the beach though? I mean, oh no, that regularly. At the moment we have just been chilling for a good hour maybe. I've been laying here just watching YouTube.
We've been brain rotting. I've been TikToking.
The weather's like, it's so refreshing. It's like cold. Currently 22, and it feels cold because we've been getting used to like 42. So I guess that is like half the temperature, so fair days. We're on a little mission. We're whipping up some pizzas. Gracie's got her little pizza chefed up. Whack that just in the pan. Got it on low and the lid on, so hopefully it melts it, makes the base crunchy. Woo. Yeah, I'm full. That was good. Well, apparently you're not. So our little spot we found there will work but Gracie says she's found a better spot, which we're just going to go for a drive, check it out. Can confirm no camping at the lookout.
Should we share the epic Florian of a movie night?
No, we shouldn't. I just can't get over Esperance. It is just so picturesque. Like, this is just a little pull out, 2 cars wide on the side of the road, which we stayed at, and like, what the hell? How does that even, how's that fair? Well, it's gone a bit overcast now, but we are heading to some markets. Grace is excited. She is excited, I promise. Gracie is going into the petting zoo. Back to the van for some brekkie. Then we're gonna. Whoa, my hair is not light. Then we're gonna walk around Esperance. Well, I've got a bit of a headache, so I'm just running back into Woolies, getting some Panadol, Jesus, and bread. No, I actually prefer wholemeal, but when traveling, white bread's so much better because it just lasts so much longer because it's fake and it's full of Surely it's here. What the fuck? Right, well, I'm either blind or stupid. Yeah, right. Well, turns out I'm both. We are at the ocean. I am going to swim. Gracie's just fapping, cleaning.
Everything's so dusty.
Alright, well, like the drone footage from before, the GoPro footage of me jumping in the water just disappeared. But after that, we went to my cousin's house and played games out the back with him for a couple hours. What you doing?
Don't show my intimates on camera.
Then had some dinner and got a good night's sleep in an actual bed. Currently transferring a bunch of stuff onto the cousin's car. Alright, well, this video is going to be a little bit all over the place because the last couple of days we've been staying with my cousin in Esperance. Gracie has been wanting these smelly balls for so long, and they finally had them at the surf shop that we just went to. The goal for today is to get to Majura Roadhouse. Alright, well, I don't know how well you're going to be able to hear because of the chainsaw, but we are in Norseman. We're just making up some wraps. Well, Gracie's making up some wraps now for lunch. We've driven about 2.5 hours. Plenty of driving ahead of us. Refueling. Well, yeah, look, there ain't no way you're gonna hear anything I was saying. To start. See what I mean? Alright, well basically behind all the wind, what I was saying is we've made it to the start of the 90-mile straight, which is Australia's longest straight of road, which goes for 146.6 k's, and it's just dead straight. And to show that to you, I said I'm going to time lapse the whole thing. So let's cut to that. To be honest, this looks pretty good for the night, I reckon. Alright, well, as you saw, we just pulled up to this little rest stop looking thing. It's actually sick. There's heaps of space here. There's another RV up the back. I don't know if you saw that, Gracie.
Oh, is that?
Yeah, there's another like big RV, like bigger than the one that Mum and Dad were in, like one of the big ones. Yeah, but just sent the drone up. Gracie's starting to get some pizzas ready. I've just turned on the induction, which actually I should on, and we work that, and then 3 might be a good.